Today we are going to study something about software engineering. So let's start now. And our topic today is software testing in software engineering. Now let's see what is software testing. Software testing is a process of identifying the correctness of a software by considering its all attributes and evaluating the execution of software components to find software bugs, errors, or defects. Software testing provides an independent view and objective of the software and gives surety of the fitness of the software that the software is working perfectly. It involves testing of all the components under the required service to confirm whether it is satisfying the specified requirements or not. Software testing also provides an independent view and objectives of the software and gives surety of fitness. The process is also providing the client with confirmation about the quality of the software. Now, let's see what are the different types of softwares available which we are using. So, they are divided into manual and automated testing, and manual testing is also divided into white box and gray box and black box. Now, black box testing is of two types, that is functional and non-functional. Functional is of unit testing, integration, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Whereas non-functional testing comprises of compatibility testing, performance testing, and usability testing. Now let's see what is manual testing. So in the process of manual testing, the checking of the functionality of an application as per customers' needs is done without taking any help of automation tools. While performing manual testing application, we don't need any specific knowledge of any testing tool, rather having a proper understanding of the product so that we can easily prepare the test documents. In automation testing, it is a process of converting any manual test cases into test scripts with the help of automation tools or any programming languages is known as automation testing. With the help of automation testing, we can enhance the speed of our test execution because here we don't require any human efforts. We need to write a test script and execute those scripts. In case of white box testing, a software testing technique that involves testing the internal structure and the working of the software application. The tester has access to the source code and it uses the knowledge to design the test case that can verify the correctness of the software at the code level. It is also called glass box testing, clear box testing, or structural testing. White box testing is also known as structural testing or code-based testing, and it is used to test the software's internal logic, flow, and structure. Now, what is the process of white box testing? It involves input that are requirements, functional specifications, design documents, and source code. Next is processing. It is the performing risk analysis to guide through the entire process. Proper test planning, designing the test case to cover the entire code, execute, rinse, repeat until error-free of the software is reached. It also results are communicated. Next, the last one is the output. It is used for preparing the final report of the entire testing process. Now, in this diagram, you can see how the processing of the white box testing is done. It consists of three parts, that is unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. In unit testing, each module which is designed is tested individually by the developer, and in integration testing, all these unit tested modules, they are compiled together and they are tested. In system testing, for each input, the output is tested. And the last but not the least is the black box testing. In This software is technique that involves testing in internal structure and working of the software application. The tester has access to the source code and uses knowledge to design the test case that can verify the correctness of the software at the code level.